All right, guys, this is an extension video for our classwork today. So I wanted to go ahead and show you all what we did and how to do it because we did have to do it kind of quick at the end of class. So what we're practicing today is we're practicing measuring lines, but the ruler is just not lined up. So instead of making my ruler line up particular with these lines, what I could do is I can go ahead and look at it and say, oh, I can just make this a number line and change my numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at B first here because it's the one that's it's long right here and it's, you know, kind of close to 0. So I'm going to draw a line on my paper to where the end of the B mark goes and to where it connects to my ruler or my number line. So I'm going to change this to 0. And the reason why I'm changing it is it's because it's the beginning part of my line. So now I'm going to go to the end of my line, which is right here, and I'm going to draw onto my number line as well. Well, I can't say that this is 11 centimeters anymore because it didn't start at the 0. So what I have to do is come here, that's a 0 now, but these numbers are not going to make sense because I don't count 0, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I know that this line ends at 9 centimeters. So for B, line B is 9 centimeters long. Well, now I got to figure out what line A is. I can do the same thing that I just did for line B. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make my line go here. Make my other go there. So that marks the beginning and the end of line A on my centimeter ruler. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the 6 to a what? If you said 0, you're correct. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, yeah, so it started at 0. It ends at 8. So this has to be 8 centimeters long for line A. Now, something that you can do to make this easier to see is you can color code it. So if I wanted to, I could have fought with my pencil box here, or my pen bottle. Come here. Still fighting with it. There's a yellow and a blue. There we go. And I'm being responsible and putting all my other parts back into my cup. So that way it's ready for my next time I need them. So what I could have done is I could have said, okay, well, B is going to be blue because they both start with the letter B. And I could have colored that in and I could have used blue to write in my numbers. Ooh, it looks like my pen is going out. That's not good. It's my favorite pen. Okay, so I could have done that so that I could see better, or I could have used yellow for the other one because that's the other color I had, so that way I could see it better. Or you can pick whatever colors you want. It doesn't matter. Or if you can tell the difference between the pencils, that's okay too. If you notice, like I did one that was small and one that was larger, you could do that as well. Okay. So now I'm going to move on to C. Together, lines A and B measure blank centimeters. Well, I know that line A is 8 centimeters. Line B is 9 centimeters. I'm using my units. So now I have to say, okay, together, I know that when they're together, the number is going to get bigger. Because like when we're all together, our class is bigger. So 8 plus 9 17 centimeters. Oh, they already got those centimeters there. And I could have checked that many ways. I could have made dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And counted them up. I could have made a number line on my own. Started at 8, move up 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this be my ending mark. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I could have counted on my fingers, whatever. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down a little bit. Line A is blank, then line B, you just gotta tell me how much shorter or longer it is. So line A, is it shorter or longer than B? And then by how much? So let's look at our number 2. A cricket jumped 5 centimeters forward and then 9 centimeters back and then stopped. If the cricket started at 23 on the ruler, where did the cricket stop? Show your work on the broken centimeter ruler below. So we know that the cricket started here. So now I know that I need to go forward 5 centimeters. I need to go back 9 centimeters. And then I need to show where it stopped. Okay, so it started here. You're going to go forward 5 centimeters. You're going to go backwards 9 centimeters. And you're going to tell where it stops. Okay, then you're going to take a photo of just this front page. You're going to take a photo of it. Click, click. You're going to upload it onto your math page. And voila, you are finished. You just got to figure out this one here on your own. These two for sure. We did the first 3 in class. You're doing D and number 2 and turning it in. Don't forget to do your iReady lesson as well because that's part of your grade today. Goodbye.